and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty and you are watching Beauty Icing TV. Yes, so this is my TV. So guys, on this video we are going to be doing unboxing. You guys know this my channel is all about cooking, vlog and lifestyle. So we are going to be doing unboxing on this video. Yeah, it's long I showed my face on my video like this, and we are going to be doing unboxing. Before I go ahead, I'm on vacation, so don't be surprised to see me anytime, any day, even on live video. So we're going to be doing unboxing on this thing I have here. This is a package, a very big package for that. So I ordered this package online, so I decided to open it, unbox it with you guys. Yeah, so let's see what I have in there. Yes, over here is the package. So I already have my scissors over here that I'm going to be using to open it. So this is what we have inside here. You see, this is a machine that we use for grinding, so it's very powerful. We use it for all type of strong or herbs or spices, to grind spices. So I'll be saying this article for some time now, until my senior sister in Italy bought it and she recommended it, that is very, very good, especially me that always does cooking for for people. So that is very good. I should try it. You guys know that our ogbolo is very strong. Apart from our ogbolo, there are so many other things you can grind that is very, very useful and powerful. So I decided to order one for myself. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So this package came in, I think about 5 or 6 days ago. I don't have the chance because I'm a very busy person. So today, since I'm on vacation, I said, okay, let's see. Even the seller is even calling me, asking for the review. How is it? Did I got my package? I didn't even answer because before I come back from work, the package was already on my doorsteps. So I just took it in. So I did not have the chance to open it ever since. So let's just, do it together. I think it's long I did unboxing on this my channel. Yeah. Let's see. So this is how it looks. This is how it came. If you guys are seeing it. So I'm going to go ahead to bring it out. Yeah, so this is how it came. What was the protection they put inside? And over here, so this is the instruction. So these are everything that came in with the package. Let's see how this is very good. These are the blade and all. Okay. So this is how it looks. So you can do it this way, and yeah, up to I think it's up to 180 degree of sun. So I'm going to open it, then clean it, come back to try it. I'm going to try it too. I think this is the way, because they have different size. Okay, this is what came. It's just like a filter. And this, I think this one is, this is how it's supposed to be. Then what is this one all about? Maybe it's extra, I don't know. Maybe these are extra blade, I don't know. But comes in. Even there's even brush, there's spinner and all. Every article inside there. So what is this one for? So this is it. Where okay, where am I going to put it? Okay, it's over here. It's over here. I just need to plug it over there. I'm going to go back, clean it, then come back and try it with ogbolo. I have ogbolo at home, so I'm going to come back. Let me go and clean it and use it first. Use it at the beginning. Don't use it without, don't just on it without using it. Make sure you have something inside. So there is what I'm doing. So guys, I just added 1 cup of ogbolo into it right now. So we are going to try it. So I forget to show you guys why adding it.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
So guys, this is it. Yeah, they tried, but the ogbolo was not that dried. So my ogbolo was not that dried. Normally it's supposed to be a powder, but it's still a powder. There are still some particles of ogbolo inside. So what I'm going to do, because this is what